In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove buy and sell arrows in TradingView, an essential step for those looking to declutter their charts and focus more on analysis rather than executions. First, we need to head over to the TradingView website. If you haven't visited this site before, TradingView is a fantastic online platform for creating pro-level charts and performing comprehensive technical analysis in real time. Once you arrive at the TradingView homepage, make sure to log into your account if you haven't done so already. It'll make navigating these settings much smoother. Next, we're going to dive into the settings. To do this, you can find a settings icon at the top right corner of the screen or sometimes conveniently near your active chart. This icon typically looks like a gear, the universal symbol for settings. Click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. Here, you'll find a host of options that can feel a bit overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, I'll guide you step by step through precisely what you need to do. The panel that appears after clicking settings contains several tabs. Among them, there is a tab labeled Trading, which is where we need to go. Click on the Trading tab. This will bring up a list of customizable options specifically related to trading features. It is here that you have the ability to tailor the display according to your specific needs and preferences. Once you're on the Trading tab, you'll see options that control various display elements on your charts. To remove the buy and sell arrows, locate the options called Buy and Sell button and Executions mask. These options usually have a check mark next to them, indicating that they are currently active on your charts. By unchecking these options, you'll be able to remove those buy and sell arrows cluttering your view. Go ahead and uncheck the box next to Buy and Sell button. With one click, it deactivates the automatic display of transaction suggestions on your chart, cleaning up the interface significantly. Do the same for the Executions mask by unchecking its box as well. This ensures that past buy and sell actions no longer show up on your chart, allowing you more room for the data that truly matters. After you've made these adjustments, it's time to save your changes. Look for the OK button, typically located at the bottom of the settings menu. Click OK to confirm all of the changes you've just made. Once clicked, the settings menu will close, and you'll notice your chart is now free of those extra buy and sell indicators, providing you with a much more streamlined view. This not only makes the chart easier to read, but also helps in focusing directly on the technical analysis without unnecessary distractions. That's it! By following these simple steps, you've successfully removed the buy and sell arrows from your TradingView chart. I hope this guide was clear and helpful in personalizing your charting experience.